So I mocked up this whiteboarding session here, right? This is just a totally fake example. But I passed that photo to GPT-4 Vision with this basic prompt to generate the code for it. Let me set this down. And I really want you to pay attention to this, right? So generated the code, I pasted that into VS Code here. And now watch this. So you're gonna see step one here is enter your name. Check out the diagram here. So the model was able to see that I had these arrows and it actually flipped the order of these. And I wanted to test if it could do that. And sure enough, it does. So now if I do a name here, sorry, I'm trying to type with one hand. And you're gonna see, what is your email, McKay? Okay. You're gonna see in this step, I specified should refer to you by name once provided. So it flipped these steps, so it knew name, then email, and it knew once it got to email, it needed to refer to me by name. This is crazy. This is